You should be able to drive so smoothly for the next 10 minutes doing all of these different activities that my tea doesn't spill.
Oh. Every little bump, I'm like, oh, I can't let her spill the tea.
While we're waiting here, I know you're doing a great job looking left. But keep those cars on your eye, because if they're making a U-turn, they actually have right of way. 5 minutes in and no spill, so I'm going to take a sip and just ease off your stress. I didn't realize how my thumbs would get hot. Hey, it's me, Jacqueline.
Hi, I'm Matthew.
And this is our last driving lesson. So we are going to review all the skills that you need to take and pass your driving test. Before we start driving, we're just going to review the main themes. First main theme is traffic check. Scanning, making sure you see and don't miss anything. You feel like you're doing pretty good in that area? I do too. Some examples today that we had in our lesson were when we were approaching the greenway and you noticed people and stopped and didn't hit them. I really appreciate that. We've had like a daddy with a stroller at an intersection. We've had senior citizens crossing. So all the kinds of people that we are looking out for when we're driving. You're also going to be assessed in parking lots, making sure you do a full stop at every T, land really small on your arrows, and always use your turn signal. And then you're going to have to pull over to the curb and back up. That's an area where we've been practicing a lot. Do you feel pretty good about that?
I think so, yeah.
Good. Right and left turns. For the right turns, you've been doing a really good job making sure you always check your blind spot. And I really appreciate how on your left turns, you've been making sure there's no pedestrian crossing. So really good there. They're going to take you through lots of different intersections, including the yield right turn that we've been practicing. Full stop at every T, and then when it's an uncontrolled intersection, making sure you creep out to look, and that's another area where I really feel like you've been doing really great. And then they'll have you do lane changes, a left lane change and a right lane change, making sure you have safe space and you're going a safe speed, and of course no lane changes in the intersections. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to drive around and do all of those skills for about 10 minutes, and I am going to hold a full cup of tea, and this is the final test. So one of my driving students, their dad is a chauffeur, and the dad said, I should be able to drive holding a glass of champagne like my customers. And that was how the son had to drive. So this is going to be the Bay Area mom version of that, my cup of peppermint tea. And you should be able to drive so smoothly for the next 10 minutes doing all of these different activities that my tea doesn't spill. Deal? All right, no pressure. So we're going to follow the rule, assume straight unless I tell you to turn. And it should feel like a little obstacle course for the next 10 minutes. All right, let's go. I just wanted to pop in and give my highest recommendation to the Zutobi driving app. They've helped so many of my students who are feeling anxious about the driving test to do the final prep they need to pass the permit. Zutobi has simulations, additional content, videos, everything that a new driver or a parent needs to help guide learning to drive process. If you're looking for a great resource to help you or someone you love prepare for their permit, the Zutobi app is where it's at. Please exit your parking spot.
Every little bump, I'm like, oh, I can't let her spill the tea.
It's all right. When we're going a safe speed over bumps, we manage, right? So all the time, your good driving is all we need. I didn't realize how my thumbs would get hot. Okay.
Oh, it's so hot.
No, I'm gonna survive. But I was like, oh, this will be fun. And then I didn't think about, don't look at me. I'm sorry. I don't mean to distract you.
I want to see how the T is holding up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I love how we had reversing car coming toward us for a minute. Nice. And a lot of times people ask me, are the examiners going to talk to me? And the truth is they just kind of sit next to you quietly. So
Yeah.
just like this, you're just driving along doing what you need to do to make sure that everybody has a smooth ride. Really good. Please turn right at the stop. And then please turn right at the stop. And please make a left lane change when it's safe. Okay, we're 5 minutes in and no spills, so I'm going to take a sip and just ease off your stress. When it's safe, make a right lane change. And please turn right at the light. Then make a right at this first street.
Looks like he's giving his dog a treat.
I love how you interpreted dog owner, dog behavior. Really good. Please pull over and park. Oh, not here, sorry. I don't want to use that as a, I didn't do that on purpose. Over here, please pull over and park on the right-hand side. And please reverse until I tell you to stop. Stop and please return to the road when it's safe. Running a driving school isn't easy. Between high operating costs, managing student requests, and delivering top-notch instruction, it's a lot. Zutobi Instructor helps smooth out your day-to-day operations with features like automated scheduling and online payments. You'll also get our best in the nation in-class and online curriculum with engaging videos, immersive driving simulations, and more. Driving schools all over the country are already making the switch and loving the results. It's super simple to get started. Visit Zutobi.com to book a demo or click the link in the description. And please make the next right turn you can. While we're waiting here, I know you're doing a great job looking left. But keep those cars on your eye, because if they're making a U-turn, they actually have right of way.
Mm-hmm.
Have you pull into the first parking lot right up here. And please take any one of these spots on the right-hand side. Elbow bump.
All right.
No spills.
No spills.
All right. So you do not have to drive as if your examiner is holding a cup of tea, but you're going to drive that same way you just did. Comfortable, making sure that your passenger feels safe, that everything is smooth, and that you're just following directions like you do this every day with mom, right? So if mom's comfortable, dad's comfortable, siblings are comfortable. Have you driven with any grandparents yet?
No.
Okay. Driving instructor is super comfortable, so it makes sense that the examiner is going to feel comfortable too, right? All right. Thank you so much, guys. Thanks, Matthew. Bye.
Bye.